stuck already? The other one went up no problem. Maybe he's only two-wheel drive. Oh, it's gonna be slick up here, so just be careful. You're gonna have to put your feet down. You see how they're putting their feet down? There you go. Oh. Just chill for a minute right there, okay? Just chill right there.
That's slippery.
It's gonna get really a lot worse up here.
Should we start doing this? This is a good idea.
Oh, the thing, it's so freaking slick.
It really is. I put my boot down and almost flipped out from under.
Yeah. Are you gonna be okay?
Okay. Look at Kevin. He's sliding around all over the place. I don't know about this.
Okay, just stop for a minute. Just stop.
There he's going.
Yeah, well, he's on a dirt bike.
That's true.
If you don't want to do this, then don't do it. I don't blame you if you don't want. I don't really want to do it either, but I mean, maybe it's better up there. I wish that truck wasn't there.
I think he's doing the same thing. If you want to go around me, should I?
Well, no, I mean, no, I'm not going to leave you.
Oh.
It's up to you what you want to do.
Well, maybe we kind of need to regroup with everyone. But
Keep both feet down. There you go.
just don't know how much good it's going to be if I don't have any traction in when I put my feet down. You know what I mean?
You're going to have more traction, it looks like, on your right side. Man, you made that look easy. What's up with you? Ooh, I didn't even slide either. Oh boy. Alright, kickstand's down. What's going on? Doesn't look that bad.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Careful getting off. Slippery.
Oh my god, this stuff is out of control slick.
Hey, Lottie. Watch out. God, it's like, it looks good, but it's not.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is a solid sheet of ice.
I want to take my shoes off. I don't feel like they're doing me any favors.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh, no.
this is crazy.
Got a kickstand.
You got it?
Thanks. Thanks. Whoa. You good?
Oh my gosh, dude, this is out of control slick.
Oh, there's a truck backing up there. Larry's saying turn around.
Yeah? Alright. Well. Alright.
A for effort.
Yeah, we definitely got an A for effort. Hey.
Larry, look out behind you. I don't know if that guy can stop.
If you walk it up to the dry area and then maybe just pivot it around. If you can.
That's a fun little bike she's got.
It's rad. Brandon had one of these. And he didn't like it because it was not fast enough, but I loved it. It's a BMW and it handles so nice and it shifts so nice.
Nice.
Yeah. And it looks better than any of the bikes, I think. It looks better than the KTM and better than the Honda.
Oh, perfect. Now it's on the drive.
Okay, let me get back down there.
All right. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to turn around either.
I can snowboard down here. I'll pivot both the bikes around. Woohoo!
Be careful. Like over here, it looks like it dry, but it's really not.
I know, that's the stuff, huh? It looks like it's just wet, but it's solid ice. I know. Dang it.
The main entrance, though. The other side's open?
It's open?
Oh man.
Since when? Oh, well, let's turn around and try that then. This is insane.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, over here, Kevin. It's like, that's actually not so bad. And then you can kind of like squeak through up there. Nope.
Really?
Oh.
All right, here, let me pivot your bike around at least, and you'll have somewhat of a fighting chance.
Careful on that. Oh, he's got a whole system. Okay.
Okay, that's gonna be a little better.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, you could walk it down too.
Well, that's true.
But if you grab that front brake, then just use your clutch as a brake
Okay.
if you want to walk it down.
Such a nice view.
It is, huh? All right. Yeah.
Oh man.
We got Superman coming through. Watch out.
I got a truck, bro. I can make it.
That truck is awesome. We're right in his way. Does he want this part of the road?
He's saying he's going up. I mean, I don't know where he's trying to go.
Maybe we should come over here.
Oh, you should have waited for us to leave.
I know.
But now he's parked in the spot that's dry.
Yeah. It's ice.
Oh!
Fuck.
Are you okay?
This is crazy.
It really is.
Unless you got change and the car's not going to make that.
Do you understand about using your clutch? Oh, stop, watch. Get your hand off this. Don't touch your brake. If you touch it, it's just gonna fall over. You don't have to turn that on.
No, I don't know what gear it's in.
I just let it out right there and the whole back of the bike just slid off to the side. So you just gotta, you know, but keep your kickstand down, and if it, worst case, just let go of it. But don't touch this.
Okay.
And just let your clutch out for your brake. You understand what I mean by that? Okay.
Man, that thing does just as well in reverse as it does in drive.
bike sliding.
I think I'd rather ride it down than walk it.
I'm gonna hop on right here because it's gonna get better, but you got to be real careful if you're gonna ride it down like this. It's different because you're not gonna have power going down. You see what my bike's doing right now? Look at that. See?
Yep. Yeah. There's more bikes coming.
More bikes coming?
Yeah. In front of you. Shit. It's good.
Just remember, don't use your front brake. You can use your front brake in this dry stuff. Okay, front brake, front brake. Oh, you're scaring me. Just stay right there, stay right there. Let me get down a little further. I'm gonna get past this one last ice patch and then I'm gonna ride it the rest of the way.
How are you gonna get past that Bronco?
Yeah, well, he'll have to leave first. Nice job, nice job.
Adventures.
Oh, this is definitely an adventure right here. Yeah, I was doing the same thing.
Hey there. Yep.
Can you go on that side? Can you go on that side? Oh man, dude.
Oh boy. Uh-oh. We gotta cross that.
No, I'm not crossing that shit.
Do you think we can scooch by? You might actually be stuck. Oh no, got it.
Go, come on, a little further. A little further. Or just back out of the fucking way, dude. It's probably good.
Okay. That's what we're doing.
Thanks.
Off like a herd of turtles. And
All right, there you go. Easy. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Try to keep your speed to a minimum. All right. Get the hell out of here. And keep your fingers off that front brake too.